In today's fast-paced world, who amongst us hasn't felt the grip of stress, anxiety, and depression? It seems as if these invisible burdens have become an unwelcome constant in our lives, subtly creeping into our daily routines, undermining our productivity, and compromising our overall well-being. As we juggle our professional commitments, personal responsibilities, and strive to meet societal expectations, we often find ourselves in the throes of these relentless conditions. Stress, anxiety, and depression are no longer isolated incidents but a pervasive part of our modern existence. They not only sabotage our mental health but also wreak havoc on our physical health, leading to a lower quality of life. But as we grapple with these challenges, it's important to remember that we're not alone. In this relentless pursuit of a stress-free existence, many are seeking solace in traditional remedies. These ancient solutions, steeped in years of wisdom, offer a beacon of hope in our fight against stress, anxiety, and depression. With modern medicine often coming with a host of side effects, many are turning to traditional remedies to alleviate these conditions. One such ancient remedy that's been making waves in the wellness community is ashwagandha. This herb, scientifically known as Withania somnifera, has a rich history dating back thousands of years. Originating from the traditional Indian system of medicine, Ayurveda, ashwagandha has been used as a versatile remedy for a variety of ailments. From the Sanskrit words ashwa, meaning horse, and gandha, meaning smell, the name ashwagandha wasn't just plucked out of thin air. It's said to smell like a horse, and consuming it was believed to give you the strength and vitality of one. But don't worry, consuming ashwagandha doesn't mean you'll start neighing or grow a tail. Instead, you might find yourself better equipped to tackle life's stressors with a calm and steady mind. In Ayurveda, ashwagandha is known as a rasayana, or a rejuvenator, aimed at promoting physical and mental health, revitalizing the body, and increasing longevity. The herb has traditionally been used to boost energy, reduce fatigue, and improve concentration. It's also been used to combat stress and anxiety, and even to enhance mood and alleviate symptoms of depression. The beauty of ashwagandha lies in its adaptogenic properties. Now you might be wondering, what on earth is an adaptogen? Well, adaptogens are a unique class of herbs that help your body adapt to stress, support normal metabolic functions, and maintain a balanced mood. So when life throws curveballs your way, adaptogens like ashwagandha help you stay composed and resilient. But it's not just ancient wisdom that backs up these claims. Modern science is beginning to validate these benefits as well. So let's dive into the science behind ashwagandha in the next segment. Recent studies have shown promising results in ashwagandha's ability to combat stress, anxiety, and depression. But how does this ancient herb work its magic? Let's look at the science behind it. Ashwagandha, also known as Withania somnifera, is an adaptogen. This means it can help our bodies manage and adapt to stress. It's like a personal trainer for your stress response, helping you to build resilience over time. One way ashwagandha does this is by regulating the activity of the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, or the HPA axis. This is a complex set of interactions among 3 endocrine glands in our bodies, and it plays a crucial role in controlling our reactions to stress. By modulating the HPA axis, ashwagandha can help to reduce the physiological impacts of stress and anxiety. But that's not all. Ashwagandha has also been found to lower levels of cortisol, a hormone that your body produces in response to stress. High levels of cortisol over prolonged periods can lead to a host of health issues, including sleep problems, weight gain, and even heart disease. By helping to keep cortisol levels in check, ashwagandha can potentially alleviate some of these health concerns. In addition to its stress-busting properties, ashwagandha may also have a range of other health benefits. Some studies suggest that it can improve sleep quality, a vital aspect of overall health and well-being. It has also shown potential in enhancing athletic performance by increasing strength and oxygen use during exercise. There's also evidence to suggest that ashwagandha may benefit male fertility by improving sperm quality and count. And for those keeping an eye on their blood sugar levels, ashwagandha has been found to have blood sugar lowering effects, making it a potential ally in managing diabetes. However, as with any herbal supplement, it's important to remember that more research is needed to fully understand the effects of ashwagandha, and to determine the appropriate dosages for different conditions. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before adding it to your routine. While more research is needed to fully understand the effects and appropriate dosages of ashwagandha, these early results are promising. As with any supplement, it's important to consider potential side effects and interactions before incorporating ashwagandha into your routine. Ashwagandha is generally well tolerated, But like any substance, it's not without its potential side effects. Some people may experience mild side effects such as upset stomach, diarrhea, and drowsiness. Rarely liver problems have been reported. It's also worth noting that ashwagandha can potentially interact with certain medications, including those for thyroid, anxiety, and blood pressure conditions. For those with autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, or Hashimoto's thyroiditis, ashwagandha might cause the immune system to become more active, which could increase the symptoms of autoimmune diseases. It's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider if you have an autoimmune condition and are considering taking ashwagandha. There are also some specific groups who should exercise caution. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, for instance, are generally advised to avoid ashwagandha. While it has been used traditionally to boost fertility and support a healthy pregnancy, there's not enough modern scientific evidence to establish its safety during pregnancy and breastfeeding. The same goes for individuals with underlying health conditions or those already on medication. It's critical to discuss with your doctor before starting to take ashwagandha or any other supplement to ensure it won't interact negatively with your current treatment plan or health status. And while it's tempting to think of a higher dose as more effective, that's not always the case. The right dosage of ashwagandha can vary widely depending on the individual and the condition being treated. More is not necessarily better, and taking too much can potentially lead to unwanted side effects. Remember, supplements are not a magic bullet. They're just one piece of the wellness puzzle, alongside a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep habits. With the right guidance, ashwagandha may prove to be a powerful tool in your wellness arsenal. To conclude, stress, anxiety, and depression are common ailments in today's society that can significantly impact our lives. As we've explored, ashwagandha, an ancient medicinal herb, is stepping into the spotlight for its potential benefits in combating these issues. Its roots in traditional medicine date back thousands of years, and modern science is starting to catch up, with research revealing its potential to modulate our body's stress response and promote resilience. With its anti-stress and anxiety-reducing effects, ashwagandha could be a game-changer in our pursuit of mental wellness. However, as with any supplement, it's critical to approach its use with care. Although generally considered safe, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to determine if it's right for you and to establish the most beneficial form and dosage. As we continue to seek solutions for these conditions, it's encouraging to see ancient remedies like ashwagandha being validated by modern science.